Hi friends, good evening. Manju here and welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. So in this video I will show you how to write the query for to get the employee names and salary from department number 10 or department number 20 or department number 90 only from one department. So how you can retrieve the data from the department belongs to 10 or 90, so only one specific department. And also we can see here how to retrieve the first name, last name and commission percentage from the table wherever the commission percentage is null. Okay, so this is what two queries we are going to see here. So I will move to the SQL developer here, and this is what my table. I am using SQL developer with Oracle 11g database. So this is what my table here. Here the records are present, and you right click and click on count rows. It will show it has 107 rows. So I can write the query here for to get the details of employees from whoever belongs to department number 90. Okay, you can see here, select first name and salary from employees where department ID is equal to 90. So this is what the query goes like this. Okay, so here you are fetching first name and salary. Okay, first execution of query goes like this. It first goes to from clause, and there it can pick the table, and then it moves to where clause. Any conditions are present or not, it can check for that, and then it checks for department ID is equal to 90. Then it will select first name and salary, and then it display to the as result. So this is what the query goes like this, and you just press Ctrl Enter to execute this. It will get executed. So from department 90, the Steven, Nina and Lex are present here with salary. So these people are belonging to department 90. So this is what one query. And also we can do for second query that we want to retrieve some details about the employees whose percentage commission is null. So write the query here, select first name comma last name comma commission percentage. In my case it is commission underscore PCT from employees. Okay, where condition we have to use here, where commission underscore PCT is null. So this query will display you the people details whoever having commission percentage is null. So we just press Ctrl Enter and you will get the data. You can see here these are the first names and last name, and commission percentage is null for all the employees whoever I got here. So this is what the query here. It first goes to from clause and employees table, where it condition checks commission percentage is null. Wherever commission percentage is null, then it can select first name, last name and commission percentage and display to us. So this is what the thing here. These two are very important queries, might be asked in interview also. So for Oracle SQL developer and ETL testing, these queries will be going to ask in interviews. Most important queries, these are the things. Okay, so today only these two queries I want to show you people to how to execute and logic of these queries. So kindly go through the logic of the queries, then only you can understand how to write the queries. Okay, do not by heart the queries, because you will get very problematic situations in real time. So before that you can understand the program logic here, then it's very easy to write the query. So dear friends, if you really like my video, like it and share my video, and kindly subscribe to my channel SQL Master YouTube channel, so that it's great motivational to make more videos to provide you. So thank you friends, thank you very much, and we will meet you next video with some more important queries. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Take care.